Okay, over my shoulder here, this is the Clam Quick Set Escape Sky Camper tent. Now, if you've seen these from Clam, they're pretty incredible. I'm doing an unboxing here. The first time trying this out, I've seen these on display at the Clam headquarters here in Minnesota, and I've seen some of the videos online. So, here we go. As you can see, it's about 6 feet in length. It's got 3 parts to it. There. This. All right, here's the guide. See here we have the guide Quick Set by Clam. Congratulations on your new quick setup. Stop. Before we get started, please read this. All right, I'm going to read this and follow the instructions. Move this off to the side and say number 1 is hold this out of the bag. I'm going to move the bag. Move is, I guess you start it up, whoop, like that. Looks like it's already ready to rock. That was easy. Let me get this out of the way. And, wow. Just like that. Oh. Okay. Pull it back a little bit. Yeah. All right. So far so good. This is pretty easy. I'm going to tilt that down a little bit. Okay, next. Open with roofs facing up, holes on the outside, and then reach inside the panel and pull while holding the roof line with opposite hand. Okay? Like that. Oh, this is easy. That up, pop it out, like that. Put it out. Put it out. That's the door, the entrance. Wow. That was very easy. That was extremely easy. Okay? And then continue around till everything is up. Then go through the door and push the roof up to the center. Okay. So I'm just gonna spin it so you can see inside. Go in, I guess you just going through the entrance here and push it up. All right, so the center, you just press on this and pops up. Okay, that was really, really easy. So you have 12 feet from side to side. That's a lot of room. For the height on this, like 7 feet. This is nice, these side panels. You see you can get a little more airflow. You can zip it like that. Zip it like that, and you can actually see they have little ties up here, so you can roll this up and tie it right here. Get a little airflow. Nice. It does come with 7 different stakes here, and then the tie downs that attach to the side
of the tent, but for this video I am skipping this step. I will show it in future videos when I am camping for real.
For tie down stakes, it's pretty simple. You can secure it from here and then put the stake into the ground. Okay, next I'm going to put in the floor. That's the floor. Put the manual here. Okay, so when it comes to the corners here, you don't have to attach all of these, so just, they say one or two of them. I have two of them attached, so I'm actually just going to Velcro over. So you flip this up, and this goes up to there and exposes this. So in the corners, you just Velcro it over like that. And I have the T-thing there. I don't have it there, and then I don't have it there. You can see the floor is really nice. Nice waterproof floor. Okay, next up are the wind panels. Right, so the side is really simple. Put it up, you Velcro there, fold that over. And then you have a window here. This rolls up pretty easily. So you can roll this, and then there's a little, you can see these two little straps hanging down that. You can just go like that, and then you have a window just like that. And then you have your tie down there. You just strap it, Velcro it here, Velcro it here, and then you clip it. There you go. The last item is the Rainfly. This one's going to attach. It looks like it's going to attach to these corners, so you've got to flip this up. Put this over the top first. Let's see here. Yeah, it's going to attach to these like that. Yeah, that one's going to help. This is the easiest. This was the easiest step, I think, out of all. I'm putting on the Rainfly. This is the quickest and easiest. The Velcro there, the Velcro there. Secures it down like that. Just there. Nice. Okay, so now the Rainfly is in. Okay, what's your opinion now that it's up?
Well, my opinion is this has enough comfort levels where kind of an older guy like me could hunker in here and call it home. I'm not going to get wet. I'm not going to get bitten by mosquitoes. I'm not going to get bugs in here. I could have air passing through the windows any way I want. It is an ingenious piece of shelter. And Troy, you can talk me in to a camping trip.
So when you're talking about room, so my foam sleeper, sleeping bag on there, plenty of room. You can see a little table, 2 chairs. You still have a lot of space in between. I mean, this is quite incredible. This is like it's like a tiny cabin. Honestly, look at all that room. Well, thank you for checking out this video. If you have one of these, if you have a quick set, please let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think of it. If I missed anything in my setup here, please also let me know. This is the first time running through this whole setup. It was pretty easy. I fumbled a little bit, but picked up the ball and I think ran it in pretty good. Gently smash that subscribe button, turn on notifications when I do a video. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button. Thank you very much.